Good morning, everybody, and YouTubers, and Merry Christmas! Look at the lights, yeah! Alright, what I've got for you today is a very special treat. It is a Jedi mind trick. Well, a maths trick, but I could like to call it Jedi mind trick. And what you have to do is you have to get yourself a volunteer. So it could be an adult or a friend of yours, and you're going to impress them with this mind trick. You're going to make them think that you are reading their mind. Alright, so let me show you. It's really easy. Okay, number 1. Think of a number between 1 and 9. Let's just say 5 for now. Number 2. Multiply it by 9. So 5 times 9 is, yeah, you've guessed it, 45. Excellent. Number 3. If you get a 2-digit number, which we do, which is 45, add those digits together. So we're going to add 4 and 5 because they're the digits of 45. Add them together and you get 9. Now this is the trick to this problem, to this mind trick, guys. It will always be 9. No matter what number they start off with here, it will always equal 9 because we're doing it in the 9 times table. Then number 4, we're going to take away 5. So 9, take away 5, we're going to be left with 4. Number 5, we're going to change that 4 to a letter of the alphabet. So if A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, so we're going to change it to D, okay? It will always be D. Then you're going to ask your volunteer to think of a country beginning with that letter. So can you think of a country that begins with D, boys and girls? Have a think. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And then number 7, can you think of an animal beginning with the last letter of that country? So let me give you an example. You should get a kangaroo in Denmark, and it will work. You will impress them with this. So most people will say Denmark, okay, because a country beginning with D, usually they will come up with Denmark, and the last letter of Denmark is a K. You get them to think of an animal beginning with K. 9 times out of 10, they will say kangaroo. They might say like a koala or something, in which case you might look a bit stupid, but most people will say a kangaroo in Denmark, and you will impress them. Give it a go. Now stop. Boys and girls, stop. Before you share this Jedi mind trick with your partner or your volunteer, it's essential that you go through each of those steps with your volunteer doing it all in their head. They must not say the number that they first came up with, or the country, or the animal that they're thinking of. It should all be in their head. And then the trick to this Jedi mind trick is that right at the end, you look at their eyes, you stare at him or her in the eyes, and then you go, I bet you're thinking of a kangaroo in Denmark, and then boom, they will be like, wow, you've been reading my mind. That's the really important trick with this one. Okay, let's get ready for the second trick. Okay, boys and girls, here's the second one. But this one you will need a calculator for, and it is called 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one, you will seem like a genius, and your partner will seem a little bit stupid. Alright, so for this one, I do have my partner in crime. There he is. Hello, James. Splendid. Alright, come over here then. Alright, James, can you tell me what is 1 times 1?
1.
Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, 1. Okay, do you know what 11 times 11 is, James? I'm guessing no. So you're going to put it in the calculator?
121.
Alright, oh look, there's the answer, 121. Do you know what 111 times 111 is?
No.
You don't? Let's put it in the calculator then. Go for it. So press C to cancel. See the C in the top left?
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's it. And 111 times 111.
Oh.
So 111 times 111 equals
12,321.
Very good. Oh look, have you seen a little pattern going on here? The name of the game is called 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think the next number is going to be? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 11,111 times What do you think that one will be? So well done if you predicted it was going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. So what I want to give everybody a challenge to do when you're watching this, YouTubers, is to write down the next one in the sequence, and then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And when you talk to your partner, and you can show them all those questions,
all of that.
then you can impress them and say, I know what all the answers are to these without a calculator.
I impressed him.
Bye-bye, James.